Alright guys, we are live. March 13th, 2026. We have I think Adobe had the CEO resign, and of course AI challenges for the business. But this is it looks like for me, similar to MongoDB, I think about 4 weeks or 3 weeks since their last earnings. Their CEO resigned as well in competition, and they went for a strong trend upward after the vicious dump. So let's see. 935 Ultra. Not quite as strong. Not quite as strong. I would have liked Adobe to have dumped first. What lines are these? 9 and VWAP, okay. Yeah, so the red line's VWAP. I like to go for the 5-minute chart. Let's check market strength. That's not strong. That's not strong. I need to wait. Let's have a split screen. Yeah, that's right. Oh wait, what? Nope, that's not right. Fortunately or unfortunately, this is not part of one of my systems that I like to trade, so that sucks. I wonder if I can do that. So if I have this tabbed, oh, no, it just comes back. Okay, good try. Rocket Lab spacing, so that's good. Though financials is just so weak. Under the 200 SMA. Okay. How's the volume with that one? Okay, traveling sideways. One retest of the we're going long. Hello? Oh, it went that far up. Okay. I hear you guys. Okay, let's see if we can get an Adobe buy for this move upward. I think this can end up at 260 at least. I've seen this pattern before. Let's see. Yeah. Trend is up. I'll give it that. Trend is up. Above VWAP, above 50% retracement. This is how's the VIX looking. Yep, good. How's SPY looking? Also good. SPY, yeah, no, semi-trend. Okay. Okay. Oh. Let's take a look like that. Perfect. Good. Break up a pre-market high. I get to retest. Either retest or go up. I have to play the 2-bar play, and I have the 2-bar play, and I have the breakout 50 or the orb breakout. Good. This can go to 606 or 607. The next key level 25,000. Yes, perfect. Perfect. That's what you like to see. Okay, 15-minute range is in. Okay, let's see where this will take us. What a great candle. Uh-huh. Could this be a nasty reversal setup? No, I don't think so. Unless it's so sudden with news. And we do have 10 a.m. news, so. It's good. TQQQ. Alright, we canceled our order for Adobe. Now I want to see, so let's just see where we are going to take this next candle. Okay, we're not all in loss, but our bias is long. We have a ton of levels for it to kind of.
Is this a buy? It could be a buy if we retrace.
We have a ton of different types of setups.
You guys are stuck with me, unfortunately. Sorry.
We can do a high pre-market high bounce. We have the orb bounce. We have 50% retracement. Shout out to him, master of the 2-bar system. So I definitely like it. Resonates with me a ton. So I definitely want to include it in my strategies. Man, Rocket Lab, we're gonna be in that. We're gonna be in that. Okay, it's getting less and less interesting, so we're gonna just move the TQQQ up so that we can take advantage if we have any moves. Back under, okay. Very curious to see pre-market high break retest. Let's see. And starts a small piece. If it does, give it to us. This chart doesn't have to do anything. volume disagrees with you. Let me see what it says on the yeah, no, not reversal candle. I'm still very long bias. Still very long bias. We can go to contracts, and then if it passes a key level again, we can go more. See if we're gonna scalp this. No need to take advantage. We can watch the 1 minute volume, but that's not a candle for a reversal. So we, according to my system, so of course it can reverse and we get chopped to the downside. But if not, let's see. Okay. Oh nope, nope. That candle was not strong enough. Yeah, you guys can see it here, right, on the 1 minute. Oh, I guess you guys can't, but on the 1 minute, guys, let's see. Yeah, maybe you guys can see at the edge here. You see this 950, 951. Nope, no thank you. And we got Michigan pre the jobs opening report. And we got 10 a.m. news, so I'm chilling here. We're relaxing. If it rips up, it will continue, so I have no FOMO for it. Cypher, haven't heard of that name in so long. Wolf, okay. Losers, of course, I think Adobe's gonna be on here. Yep, Adobe's fifth. ULTA. Keep saying Ultra. SOC. Okay. Okay, 955 candle. Somebody is lying. This on the 1 minute, somebody's lying. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be chopping around 15-minute high, right above pre-market high, which is excellent for a breakout. I think this does want to chase a little bit, then rip to the upside, but we are gonna keep waiting. 5 minutes disagreeing, 1 minute. The convergence, the upward momentum on the 1 minute, it has less volume than the diverging. No, you could say it's equal, but no, it's a little bit more. It's a little bit more, especially with this 946 and 950 candle. I can't take this. I can't take this. Well, we can sit. Job opening. Bias is still long though. Doesn't mean I have to take one. Oh, lower high. That's not good to see. That should have not happened. Yeah. Now the long bias is a little bit weaker, a small bit weaker. Oh, I think data's gonna be negative, super negative. No, that's not right. How much will you retrace them? Now, hang on, guys. If this was a reversal candle, very strong. But it was slow. It was slow. It was not that big as well. Just 40 points. So because it was not violent, the candle structure is right. Volume doesn't agree, but the speed didn't agree. Yeah. So even then, that my typical would put a regular reversal into a B setup, uh, once a day kind of a thing. I think everything should be starting at a C then. Yeah, what am I saying? Everything starts with a C, and then if the influences, confluences, and reasons to take the trade support it, it bumps it to B plus once a week kind of a trade. But if not, no, I do not like how this 1 minute is looking. That is not great. No, this is a short. This is a short on the 1 minute. If I was a scalper, which I'm not opposed to, if I was a scalper, I would take this to the downside. Stops above this hammer candle. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's have news pass, and then we can decide what to do. We have all of this to go through. Okay. I didn't put the level, but we have pre-market and orb lows, and we just have multiple levels. Well, I'll let you guys know. Just 90 more seconds for data to come to see if we'll have any sharp moves on futures. I wonder how this is looking. Mm. To be honest, this looks pretty good. To be honest, for longs. Could be fashionably late short. Alright. We can not opposed to it. What would I place bets on? Oh man, I place bets on the downside. I think, yeah, this 1 minute structure, guys. Let me see if I can. Yeah, if you see it, lower high, lower low, lower low. Nope. I think that isn't this. I used to trade that. Oh, I forgot the name. It slipped my mind. No, I forgot it. It's where it made like an M and then it went back down. Yeah, we don't. Do we have a bullish? No, that's bearish divergence. You misspoke, my friend. But according to the futures, it's not really. Oh, okay. 10 a.m. news. Nothing. Yeah, that's what I wanted to drop. Oh, oh, oh. So far, there is no volume that has conquered this one right here. Not one. Okay, can I go for a scalp? sucks. That candle's really garbage. Candle's really garbage. I'm dying to push a trade, but yeah, I'm just waiting for us. I'll keep waiting. No, I'll have to keep waiting. Yeah, that's no, that's not it. Oh man, 50 points, 80 points if I, probably 60 points if I trusted my gut. But you can't do that on news. So Alright, we're still gonna be waiting. Our three systems, breakouts, reversals, and the 2 bar system, which is a variation of the breakout. Did I have one more? Oh, fashionably late. Fashionably late. Yeah, gotta remember my three. Those three resonate with me the hardest, so. Yeah. Once I saw it chopping sideways, not continuing, that didn't look great. What a beast trade right there. Did we get back into the middle? Okay, we got the 61.8. Kind of means nothing at this point. No, that's too aggressive. That's too aggressive. Now we have momentum to the downside. I'm against the trend. Nope, no thanks. Oh, I see what he's talking about. He's talking about the reverse or. Yes, we did. Yeah, we did. I was so focused on the longs that I forgot about if we have confirming reversal setups that might be the setup too. Damn it. Oh well. Okay, we got it. A second attempt. We can start with 2 contracts, and then as we pump down, we can scale into 4. And no rush. That was the setup. I almost missed it. That was a good scalp. If it was a good scalp, let's see if we can get another retest. If it retraces all the way, let's see what's the next level. Did you? I think it's average. There could have been things that are lying to us, like this one, a 940, the weakest volume, and it had the biggest upside. So one of these guys were lying. Apparently, this one was. That hurt. Just sitting pretty here, waiting. Looks like more downside, but you never know. Opening range low, he says. I'm talking about this or blows. Just so happened to be around where VWAP is. And if you go a little bit more, this has no setup unless the next setup I see here is a reversal setup. So let's wait. Let's wait. FOMOing over the shorts is not a great idea. That trade is done. We got the one signal, missed it. Completely forgot about it. I was just watching the volume. Okay, two options, right? Pop back up, a sudden spike with not really change in volume, or it creates a doji with ascending green volumes, and that sparks the, I guess, the bottom, as you would. It has to be the candle structure has to make sense, and the volume. So we need two agreeing sentiments here. Third, agreeing if it swept a key level, so 15-minute low, VWAP, something. Damn, that's a lot. What? No way. Yeah, so there's two options. The shorts with the random pop up back to 15-minute high, or if we have a doji and a reversal signal back to the upside. So we're still technically above VWAP, still above 50% retracement. So we're just slowly grinding. So we'll let the market tell us which direction it wants to take us in. 10 seconds. Had the potential to be a doji green, but nope, it's pretty weak. Nope. We're still gonna be here. This would have been a good time to take the shorts on the equities. Market strength shifted. I'll make another comment about how it looks for longs or shorts once we finish the close, but with this candle here, confirmation to the downside. Um, that doesn't mean you just take a blind short, but it's likely that the move is continuing, so may the odds be in your favor. Yep, VWAP and pre-market low, so likely the 1020 or 1025 candle should signal the reversal, but we're still waiting here. We're still waiting. Waiting. Nope, I will not be taking any 1 minute signals. Let's switch this to the 15 minute just to make sure we are on par for something we can see here. Okay. Yep, still to the downside. We have had a 100-point move. That's not a reversal candle. That's not a reversal. Just a regular doji. No, I would not. I would not take this for a reversal. I would not take this for a reversal. If this candle does a sweep and then shows us something, I might take it for a reversal. I think this looks like a fashionably late. This looks like a fashionably late. Let's see. We have a lot of wicks here.
Order filled.
Let's go for a 1-to-1. Alright, 1023. Oh, I think that hit my stop loss. No? Okay. blew that count.
Let's go. So I rarely use when I control a ton of my trading. I started using resistance indicator, and I know a lot of people do use it, but it's the highest volume spot of the day where, typically speaking, if you're above it, volume says how you're going to move up, or if you go below it, then that might be a lot more trade. Not always, though. Say, touch like 700, now selling off. Let's see if we can get a sell with 5 minute confirmation.
Stop loss 1027.
So far, I've seen nothing confirming the 5 minute. I'd love to see an aggressive push down, like down to here, retest back up, and then put our stops above like 700. That's what I like if we're gonna get shorts. If we're gonna try shorts, that's the setup that I like to see. Good one, Doc. Chalk me out. No way, no how, baby. Not happening. Not happening. Not allowed.
Order filled.
Oh no. Alright. Let's go at it again here. TQQQ.
We don't talk politics here, Mike. If you want drama, you can go to Fox News or CNN or Facebook. We're gonna make fun of you.
How much risk is this?
I already told you that I don't represent the Republican or the Democrat Party. I represent the America First and DoD Party. I care about my family. I care about the people around me. I care about staying healthy. And I think that both sides are relevant in the end. I think they both
20 cents.
ain't shit changed in 30 years. I'm in the Jesus is King party. Alright, I'll be King Jesus. That's what team I am. Amen, baby. Amen, baby.
Alright guys, I'm done for the day. This is my last pending trade. I think this is a 2.71 target, 3R on the TQQQ. That's it guys. Alright. So with that said, yeah, I think my stop loss was just a little too tight. My stop loss was a little too tight. So so if I had to do that again, I just go above here. Oh well. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, it took 5 days to blow that account. Oh well. We live to trade another day. So catch you guys on Monday.